Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter Y. This is uppercase Y and this is lowercase y. Y is for yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Yacht means now. Y is for yak. Y-A-K, yak. Yak means yak. Y is for yarn. Y-A-R-N, yarn. Yarn means yarn. Y is for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow means peela. Y is for yacht. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yellow. Let's write letter Y. Okay. Go to the top and draw slanting line down and slanting line up and a small standing line. This is letter Y. Draw a slanting line. Again a slanting line. This is lowercase y. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.